In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a post on CoinMarketCap. Whether you're looking to tidy up your profile or remove something outdated, deleting a post is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. To start, you'll need to navigate to the CoinMarketCap website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL coinmarketcap.com. Once the site loads, make sure you're logged into your account to access your profile features. Logging in will ensure you have the necessary permissions to manage your posts. Next, you'll want to head over to your profile. Look for your profile icon, typically located at the top corner of the page. By clicking this icon, you'll be directed to your personal profile page, where you can view all your activities and posts. This is your central hub for managing personal content on CoinMarketCap. On your profile page, locate the post that you wish to delete. Once you find it, direct your attention to the three little dots usually found near the post. This symbol often represents additional options or a settings menu. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several actions you can take concerning that specific post. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option that says Delete. Selecting this will initiate the deletion process. It's a good idea to take a moment here to ensure that you're deleting the correct post, as this action may be irreversible. Once you've confirmed that this is indeed the post you want to remove, go ahead and click Delete. After you click Delete, the platform might prompt you to confirm your choice once more, just to make sure that you're absolutely certain about removing the post. This is a common safeguard in most platforms to help avoid accidental deletions. If you're ready, proceed by clicking Delete again to finalize the process. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a post from your CoinMarketCap profile. It's worthwhile to regularly review and manage your posts, especially if you're active on the platform, ensuring that your online presence is always current and reflective of your latest insights and updates. Thanks for joining us today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more guides like this in the future. Happy investing, and see you next time.